How are you, dear student?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. So today you are going to have a debate on a topic, and that is which is better to live, either city or village. Which one is more comfortable, either city or village?
Village.
So what do you think? Which is more comfortable?
Village.
Village?
Yes.
Okay, and what do you think?
City.
Okay, you are going to prove that city is better than village, and you are going to prove no, village is better than city. Okay,
Yes,
let's
sir.
start.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I also fine. Let's come on the point.
Yes.
Do you think city is better?
Yes.
How can you say?
Do you know every person go to in the city for job? How can you say village is better? I know village is not better.
Because rivers and parks greenery find only mostly find in the village, not city. City has only historical places with greenery.
But
It
city
is it is has greenery on historical places.
but city is beautiful. It's a capital of India. The metro runs in Delhi. Do you know?
Yes, I know, but you know that railway station is also in village.
No, metro train is very costly.
Yes, you are saying right, but I said train is has.
Do you know Delhi have a Qutub Minar, India Gate, Bhul Bhulaiya, and etc.
You know that village has mosques, temples,
Yes,
and church.
yes.
So how can you say only city has only one thing?
Every person go in the city. My teacher living in the city. My family living in this city. So how can you say village is better? But I know village is not better.
You know that there are people here celebrate a festival together,
Yeah.
and he has very friendly and kindly together.
You should be go in the city, okay?
No, you should become on the village because
No.
then you come in the village. You know that what is village.
Your father go in the city because for job.
No, my father not go to city for
Why?
job because he has job and he has to go country to country, not a city.
Many people go to city for money. So how can you say village is better? But I know village is not better. How can you say city is not better? City have a railway station, airport, park, bus stop. But
How many times you
excuse me, my
say?
first chance, okay?
How many times you say city has here? How many times?
What?
How many times you say city have railway station, airport, and etc.
Let's talk about education of village city.
You know that village has government school
Yes, village have a government school, but
and private school also.
no.
No, you see you see in my village it is also private school and government school.
City have a government school and very big school at etc. But they are some park, big shop, big buildings. Do you know? There are good coachings, good school, good college. etc.
You know that people have not money to in city. So how he read good school? He want to government school.
Do you know village boy is very loafer?
No,
I
city
know.
boy is loafer and
Excuse me, my
cunning.
first chance. Village boy is cunning, loafer, etc. But I know city boy is very intelligent boy.
No.
How can you say?
Village boy is very intelligent and smart. City boy is loafer and cunning. He use abuses
No.
and
No.
and bad words.
City peoples are is very great. Do
No,
you know?
city people go to school but not read. He only talk and using a mobile in the behind under the bench.
No.
But village
You
boys
you
read.
village
When
teacher
teachers teach him, he read.
village teacher is not proper.
No, he is highly educated.
No, city have highly course.
No,
How can you say?
because I improve it. I improve it. Village teacher is very better than city.
No, city teacher is very better. And do you know there are film industry in city? His name Shahrukh Khan. Do
Yes, I know Shahrukh Khan.
Salman Khan and etc. He living in city.
Yes, but he wants to create a movie. He goes to village and village to create
You
a
go to in
movie.
the city movie? Do you go for watching movie?
Yes,
In
my
the
village.
city?
No, my village has.
I know village is very small, but city is very big. So how can
How
you
can you say
excuse me? How can you say village city is not better or village is better? But I know village peoples are very dirty, but roads is very dirty. I know,
No.
I saw.
No,
But
you know.
excuse me, but city roads is very good properly. Do
You-
you know? So
you
how?
don't know city road is very dirty because
No.
you see the dustbin of city. This is garbage out of the dustbin, not in dust. Village people is very respectfully and kindly.
No.
You will get a new friend very easily, and he is ready to spend the time with her. But in the cities, every people is busy man, not a time spending man.
I know, but you know, urban are laborious, but villager are lazy. But excuse me, my first chance, okay? So how can you say city is not better?
You know that
Excuse me.
you eat grams like pulse rice.
Yes.
It is grown by village and by farmers, and farmers only found on the village, not a city.
City have
It
a
is the
very
very big
farmer.
fine benefit of village. He got city, urban got grams by village
Yes.
farmers.
I know. So how can you say urban are lazy?
Because I prove it, I saw with my eyes. City people wear a short dress.
Yes.
He has no any rule
How can you
how
say?
to wear a cloth.
I know.
How
I
to-
know. Village
city
boy is
people have-
super cunning.
No, city girls has know how to wear a cloth, but village girls has how know how to wear a cloth, and he has very respectfully.
No, I know, but you
know that-
I know you are absolutely right because I know, but village girls is not respected.
No, he
and
is very- He's very
Sis,
he's very intelligent. So
No.
not talk about him.
I know. How can you say?
Because I prove it. You know,
No.
you go behind on my colony and see, and he is very educated and know everything.
No.
You know that my sister, she is belong to village, but he has very knowledge
Okay, I know.
in anything by computer and study thing by maths, by English, by Hindi.
Do you know city have a very
But you live in city,
Yeah.
and you ask your sister. She was called you. Go get out. I'm not telling you.
you should
you
be
do in
read.
your
You
own.
should be read. Okay.
Yes, I read, but I not understand some question. I call him and I ask him. So he tell me what is the definition is.